Cutting up the lawn. Yes, yeah, cut up the lawn. Today is cleaning up day. We have a paint and clean up the lawn. Get me yard front set up real nice. And bare things. Plant up my garden. You see it? Plant up my garden and set up my yard. Do some work. Outside nice today. Yes, so nice with the fence. Get the fence properly done. So Milana, turn up in a man. Milana, come in a man. Ah, Jesus, as I open my eye morning time, me out here. As me open up my eyes, that's how much me love the whole planting thing. So when you grow up in a certain things, it not come out of you so easy, you know, man. I tell you, you know, you can see them come up, you know. See the little 1 and 2 grass them there. This a day 8, you know. But because them did a work over here, then trample down my grass them. But see them take time to come up, you know. I get some fertilizer today and chew up on them. I need to do some work on the house bottom here, so that's why them trample up. So you can see so them a peep out 1 by 1 and 2 2 over that side. Yeah, over that side it looks so much better because them barely over here. See up in the house corner there, so how them grow up. Jono Star, man, I'm just loving this. I'm just loving this. See them a grow there? Yeah, man. Yeah, so nice. Get a view. Check out the view. Be a sitting. When this grass grow up. Can't wait. I'm excited about it. I'm excited about it. Yep. So the view there. Yep. It look good, it look good, it look good. It's a good look. How do you like the front fence? So there is a little gate right here. Oh, they carry garbage. Garbage truck will come. So next we're gonna work on the side fence. Put some big white fence over there, so block off in here by them if I look over here. We don't have no choice with the front one. But because they can't go more than 4 feet. Them claim to say if fire, the fireman must be able to jump your fence. So you can't go more than 4 feet with the fence. Just know that put it up at 10. But it's good still. Love it. You know what man I yard? Man I yard clean up in yard the door. Cutting up the lawn. Yes, yeah, cut up the lawn. Today is cleaning up day. I go paint and clean up the lawn.